Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. So I'm going to do a unpackaging. This is a whole bunch of different stuff that me and my husband ordered on Amazon. So I'm just going to show you what we got. So I picked up a... Hey! None of that! I picked up a gravel cleaner for our fish tank. Hey! Dogs, be quiet. I picked up this heating dog thing. We're having problems with our Wi-Fi. We needed a booster. And then these Modi Body underwear. So that is all that I picked up. I am actually going to do a separate video about the Modi Bodies. If you're interested, this gravel thing, I actually needed the piece right here of ours got broke. So had to get another one. It was $6. I'll try to leave the link for everything down below in the in the description, so you can find it if you want it. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye guys.